Have you ever wanted to show off a new lighting accessory to your customers without having to permanently install it? TVH has a solution. We have a Spotlight Demo Kit that allows you to demonstrate how a light works on a piece of equipment without the hassle of having to connect it to the machine or running a cord. This kit includes a heavy-duty magnet mount that can hold over 90 pounds, mounting hardware, a barrel plug with alligator clips, and a rechargeable battery pack that comes with a wall charger, harness, and a USB port. This demo kit is easy to use. Start by taking your light and attaching the bracket to the magnet. If the hardware that your light came with is too big for the hole in the magnet, the kit includes additional mounting hardware. Once the magnet is attached, place your light onto the machinery and make sure it is secure. To give your light power, attach the alligator clips to the light's wire leads. Then, plug the barrel plug into the battery harness. Lastly, plug the harness into the battery pack and flip the switch. For more information on the SY83955 kit, contact your sales representative or visit us online at tvh.com.